Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you are having a good day. Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So, what are you guys up to? Today I bought you an entirely, totally different video. Totally. Sorry guys for that. But anyway, I bought you a sandwich recipe. It's a grilled chicken sandwich. You can make it two ways. I will show you two ways to make this. This is perfectly crunchy and yummy, like delicious guys. If you love sandwiches like me, you will definitely love this. It is filled with veggies, filled with cheese, filled with grilled chicken. Wow, it's just so good guys, so good. You need to taste it to believe it. Okay, we are going to make two types of sandwiches today. One is American and one is Indianized sandwiches. So let's look at how to marinate the chicken. I divided whatever chicken I have into two halves and cut into small fillets kind of thing. I'm going to put in one Americanized chicken just salt and pepper powder and some lemon. That's it. I'm not going to add anything else to this chicken because I want it to be mild so that kids will like it. And add little bit of oil so that it will be nice and juicy. Let's mix it. Nicely rub and mix. There you have it, and let it sit for a few minutes to an hour so that it will nicely absorb the lemon and the salt and pepper, and it will be nice and juicy. Let me wash the hands and then we'll marinate the other kind of chicken. Let's look at how to marinate for Indianized chicken. I'm going to add Indian spices, of course, little bit of salt, turmeric powder, just a pinch, and little bit of chili powder. We don't want too much of spice, so coriander powder little bit, because we are going to add tandoori masala to this, and I'm adding Priya tandoori masala. I'm adding just a pinch, but if you want more you can add it. Don't add too much. That's it. And of course lemon has to be there. Lime. And ginger garlic paste is a must. And of course oil, few teaspoons, and that's it. Let it mix nicely. It's okay. We are going to let it sit for an hour and then we are going to grill it. I'll show you how to grill it. So let's grill the chicken for the sandwiches. First I'm on the stove, let it heat up, and then we'll make the sandwiches. Chicken has been marinating for an hour now. They are ready to go onto the grill. Panini grill is ready to cook, so let's add the chicken now. Look at the heat. Nice and hot. Look at the heat. Let it cook. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to cook the chicken. So let it cook for 2 minutes to 3 minutes on one side and then turn. Close the lid and press a little and let it cook. It's been 2 minutes. So let's check on the chicken. Look at this. Look at the grill marks. So let's turn the chicken. There we go. Let it cook for another 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check on the chicken to see if it's done. Just pinch a little and you can see that it's perfectly done. It's ready to take it off. So see the juices. Take it off and grill the Indian chicken the same way. Let me put the Indian chicken and I'll grill it the same way. 5 to 6 minutes and this will be done. There we go. This won't fit, so I'll grill it out. Look at how beautifully it is done. It is ready to take off. Look at that. Last piece. And you need to rest the chicken for at least 10 minutes before cutting. So I'll show you how to cut. These are the vegetables I'm using in my sandwiches. I cut the capsicum into thin strips and onions into thin strips and tomatoes into rounds and few chili pieces and coriander. I'm going to marinate it in few little bit of salt and few teaspoons of oil and lemon. It will taste so good like you won't believe it. Let's do it now. So now let's marinate. Little bit of salt, a pinch is enough. 1/4 of a lemon. Don't be scared, it will taste really good. And few teaspoons of oil. There we go. And mix it up. I kept the tomatoes separate because I don't want them to be spicy because I added chilies in there because my son likes tomatoes, so I like to keep them separate. So there we go guys, vegetables are ready. Let them rest a little bit and then we'll make our sandwiches. I cut my chicken into strips. Look how beautifully it is cut. There is nothing pink inside. It's perfectly cooked and perfectly juicy. I will cut the remaining chicken and show you how to make sandwiches. I crushed some garlic to put on the bread. I'm going to heat the butter up and then add the garlic. I'm heating up some butter to apply on the bread. Adding some garlic, crushed garlic. Of it. Let's microwave it for 30 seconds. Let's cut the bread into half. I'm using a sub roll. You can use any bread you want, but I'm using sub roll. Open it up. brushing the bread with garlic butter that I heated. Brush on both sides and then on the top. And ready. Stop. I broiled the bread. Let's assemble the sandwich now.
Maggi sauce unna?
Yes.
I'm putting the chicken on. Put it on one side. Done. And I'm going to add veggies to it.
You can check up. Oh.
I like more veggies in mine, so I'm going to add a lot of veggies.
This isn't on. Yeah, this isn't on.
I'm not done. Wait, click down.
I'm just telling you because I said you're going to do one at a time.
This will give nice crunch to it. And done. I'll add cheese and broil it for a few seconds and it will be done.
I know right.
I'm using Italian cheese. You can use any cheese you want, but I like the taste of this. And here we go. There you go. That's it, guys. It will go into broil. Just you have to keep a close eye on it, otherwise it will burn. Just few seconds on broil and it will be done. Here is my sandwich that is ready. We are going to top it with mayo and Maggi sauce.
Smell it.
Let's top it with the mayo.
Can you move your hand? What is it?
Wait,
Open your eyes. It looks so good.
And of course,
No, but
I want my My- Maggi sauce. This is Indian masala chili sauce.
Mommy?
This is it, guys. This is my sandwich. I hope you'll try this.
How much longer?
If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching my video.